Hi guys, Caleb here. At today maglalaro ulit tayo ng Next Bots and Backrooms. Tapos, ang tag doon, umabot na ako ng 85 subscribers. So, yeah, malapit na tayo mag-90. Mag-celebrate talaga ako kung nakaabot. So, yeah. Okay, so every single time lang guys ako nagkalaro, lagi ako nakamatay. Kaya ko ko na best ni. Okay, so lakad lang muna. Okay, dead end. Pag dead end agad, ako sinabi ko na spot. Sheesh, ayoko na talaga. It damage in the summer as I leaves turn down. Hell no. Layo 200. Sexy girl! Like, jeez, mga next bots, like, pagbigyan niyo na ako. Like, gusto ko lang ng normal na buhay. Teka yun ko. Ah! Na. Get out. Next bots ba yun? Ewan ko, mas ako. Bro, napakalayo naman nun. Lapit lang. Game sa akin. Gusto ko makaabot ng top 3. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ah! M1. So, kung gusto mo makabot ng top 3, dead end again. Just freaking run, dude. I don't care. Like every single time, lagi ako namatay. Napakasikip. Okay. You're doing cool. Doing fine. Next bots God. Where are you guys? Okay, there you guys. Let's go. Oh, guys, wag yung iwan. Okay, change ko lang yung skin ko, guys. Okay. Balik tayo. 700 na ako. Malapit tayo magano. Bro, you fuck. Hell no, man. You're freaking serious right now. Hell no. Bro. Okay, like every single time, lagi ako namamatay. Let's go. Quest complete. Oh wait, I reached top 3 na. Let's go! Okay, so ngayon, nagpakamatay ako. Meron na tayong new map. For 60 seconds. Stop. Let's go. So yeah, ngayon lang tayo nakabot nito, diba guys? So yeah, let's go. Wala tayo sa backup. Yo! Ang ganda! Hindi lang masyado masikip, pero dito masikip. Wala ko dito masikip. Dito super. Okay, like hell naman. Like, so lang ang normal na buhay. Dito masikip. Hell na. M1 them. Just kidding, boy. Is that tomato juice? I mean sausage, man. Give me some You cannot open doors. How could you, boy? How could you? How could you, man? This is like the Backrooms map. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, huh? How? Oh yeah, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end. Dun, 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 dun. I will survive as long as I could. I could. Hell nah. Hell nah, boy. Hell nah. Hell nah, boy. Hell nah. Like, freak, bitch. Bruh. 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 Okay, let's just, be careful next time. Be careful ka na next time, Caleb. Jump. Hot dog, cheese dog, hot dog, cheese dog. Get out. Ah! Hello, boy. Oh, freak, man. Oh, freak. Shush. That was an easy task. That was an easy task. Get out of my face. I see tomato sauce again. Again, man. I can't. Just rip tap, tap, tap. Okay. Okay, next time, don't die. Just get out of my face. I see tomato sauce again. I see tomato sauce. It's tomato. Where's the freak? Where's the exit? Where's the freaking exit? What? Oh, hey. Hey. Hey, there's so many dead ends. Daming dead end. Sa may pinto. Ah!
Ako ng dulat, may sipasok ko.
Okay, let's go. Just go back. Okay, just go back. Oh, man.
Ako ng dulat, may sipasok.
Hell na. Oh, just go down. Just go down. Okay. You're doing fine. Oh, survive this. Obunga, you're the president. Ikaw yung presidente, ah. Ulit mo, ah. Ba't ako naglag? Ba't ako naglag? No. Tomato sauce. Third Papsan. Ah! Sarap pala yan. Saan yun? Saan yung daan na yun? Tomato sauce ulit. Tomato sauce. Shoot. Timing to end. Ah! Get out. Hell no, what was that? Okay, crazy now. Guru, kalbo. Okay. Di na matay dito. This time, I will not die. For the second time. Okay, so, let's just, na tayo. Shut group. Di mo. Never mind. Mag-move on ka na. Guru, kalbo ka na lang kasi. Gusto sa mukha ko. Tomato sauce! What did I just see? That's illegal yan sa mga bata. Illegal yan sa bata. tigil yun sa bata. Malapit na sa quest. Malapit na sa quest. Open the door. Well, hindi pala nagbubukas yung mga pintuan dito. No. Oh, please, have mercy. Have mercy. Stop freaking quest. Yun yung quest. Takbo. Ang sikip. Okay, tapo na. Let's go. Aabutan ng 1K dito. Promise, ayun. Talon! Saan ako? Yung quest. Sarado yung pinto. No, please have mercy. Okay, so guys, if you like the video and kung napala ito yung video, okay? So, short lang tong video, pero sana nagustuhan niyo itong video kahit saglit lang. Gumawa lang ako dito ng quest, at ito ilang beses ako nang retry dito, so wag niyo lang i-bother, ha? Napakahirap nito, guys. So yeah, so if you like the video, naghirap ako dito sa video to para lang sa inyo to, guys. Wala akong pake kahit hindi nyo gusto, pero pwede nyo naman i-unsubscribe ako, pwede naman ako unlike. So yeah, so kung gusto nyo pa ulit ng next batch ng Backrooms, paabot lang tayo ng kahit 13 likes lang dito sa video to. So yeah, kung gusto nyo pa ng more next batch in Backrooms video, so hit the like and subscribe, and always watch this video. So yeah, ayan ko na tong video. Mag-video ulit ako rito. So yeah, peace.